Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an Angie Swatch This video. I actually haven't done one in quite a while because I was busy with reviews and other stuff. So if you don't know what this is, I am trying to get swatch pictures of all of the nail polish in my collection, and just changing my nail polish every day is not always catching up ground on my collection because I add to my collection also. So Swatch This is a way to help me get through that faster. So I do have just 5 mainstream polishes today. So let's talk about which ones I swatched. I have China Glaze Low Maintenance from, I believe, the Chic Physique collection. This is kind of a nude nail polish. It's a little bit pink. It was a little bit thin for me, so I think I did end up putting 3 coats on of this one, but all of my nails didn't need 3 coats. Only a couple needed 3 coats, but I did 3 on all of them just for consistency's sake. So if you did 3 thin consistent coats, probably that would be just great for you. I do really like this color though, so you're going to see 3 coats of China Glaze Low Maintenance. Next we have OPI A Grape Fit, and this is this medium purple color. You know, I probably have never met a purple that I didn't love, and this one is no exception. I love this purple color. The formula on this one was really good. It was an easy 2-coater, didn't have any trouble with it. So you're going to see 2 coats of A Grape Fit. I have China Glaze Fade into Hue. So this is a light blue, but it's not really a baby blue. I would definitely say there's a touch of gray in there. I do really like the color. This one had not really a jelly formula. Maybe I would have to call it almost a crelly formula. This one did take 3 coats for me. So you're going to see 3 coats of Fade into Hue. I have another one from the Chic Physique collection. This is China Glaze Athlete Chic. This is a really pretty kind of an orangey coral color. This one was also a little bit thinner. So I did get this one opaque in 2 coats, but it was a little bit thinner. So probably if you do thin coats anyway, this would be 3. But I'm going to show you 2 coats of Athlete Chic. And then we have Zoya Sloane. This is a dark, gorgeous kind of a burgundy color with some shimmer in there. I'm not sure if you're going to catch it in the viewfinder. This one did take 2 coats, but this was a solid 2-coater. You should not need 3 of this. So I'm going to show you 2 coats of Sloane. So I am going to keep this one a little bit shorter because I think that's part of the reason why I haven't done as many Swatch This videos recently, because I was trying to shoot for 10 polishes in each one and I just wasn't having time to swatch them or edit pictures and upload them. So I think I'm going to make some shorter so I can get some out for you guys and make some headway on this collection. So hopefully you guys don't mind a shorter video. So like I said, this one was a little bit shorter. Hopefully this works out for you guys. It was a lot easier for me to swatch and film, so on my end it worked out a little bit better. Have you guys rediscovered a polish from your collection recently? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!